Hi guys, my name is Safira and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I refresh my curls whenever they get to this frizzy, half-defined, messy state. So let's get into it. I start by taking a section in the back, and this part always gets frizzy super easy because it rubs against my hoodies and sweaters, t-shirts and stuff. So I always have to give this part a little bit of extra attention. Now I start by spraying it wet with just some regular water first to wake up and revive the curls, and I just spray until the section is completely saturated in water, but not like dripping wet. I did a little test to compare hair products, but in the end I didn't see any difference. So yeah, I used the Umberto Giannini curl jelly on the right side of my hair, and I'll be showing you what I used on the left side in a bit. So yeah, I just used a little bit of the jelly and applied it all over the section, and I made some finger coils for extra defined curls. You don't have to finger coil every single curl. I just like to do it at the very bottom of this row, since like I already explained, this part gets the most frizzy for me. This is the jelly that I used on the left side of my hair. It's the Salon Line Day After Gel, and this product is actually made for refreshing your hair. It literally says it on the bottle. And the way I use this Day After Gel is exactly the same as I did on the right side of my hair with the curl jelly. So just applied it to my hair and made some random finger coils here and there. I'm gonna do this all over the perimeter of my head, since that's the part that I want to make sure my curls are the most defined and poppin'. So gonna repeat these steps all over that section, and then I will be back.
Yeah.
Work. To me, I feel work. See me do me dirt. So me for that work. When you walk a line. In the cafe, drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a back, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work.
Now I started by blow drying with the diffuser on first, focusing on drying the roots, and then after that I took the diffuser off and dried the ends of my hair as well. Now, I don't know what's going on over here. I was having my little pop star performance moment, I guess. Do not mind me. I don't have any explanations for this part.
What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby.
If you know about this OG Sheen spray, let me know in the comments. This is definitely one of the OG hair products in the game that I believe everyone should know. So I finished off with a little spray of that all over. And that was it. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope this was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to like this video, comment to let me know that you enjoyed it, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my upcoming videos as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.